Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Woldoff's Garage. Today I got some LED lights for the license plate light and then the dome light. I think there might have been another light. Oh, the trunk light. We're gonna go ahead and replace those and see what happens. Stay tuned. All right, so I bought this bag of lights off Amazon. I get everything from Amazon. But I got to looking at the videos and there wasn't any real videos to show how you replace any of them on the 17 Malibu. So that's what we're gonna be going over today. So the license plate light looks like that. Whenever I was looking at it, I wasn't real sure, because if you look at the other videos on like the Impala and the Cruise, they had videos on those, but this piece here, if you put a screwdriver in it, it pops it out. So that's not how it works on the Malibu. So on the Malibu, it's got a little spot here. You can use a flathead. I found that I was able to just pull it out. You just pull down on the side with the little clip and indention, whatever this thing is, and then pull it on the other side, and there's what you're dealing with. So you can see, and then the bulb is just right here. You just twist it. Yeah, it's in there tight. And then the bulb. So if you're just replacing the license plate light, that's how you get it out. If you're putting the new LED lights in, there is one of the new LED lights, and this is what the old bulb looks like. If you're just going back for factory and you just want it to look the regular way, there's your old bulb. All right, so to put this thing back in there, all you do is you snap it back in after you get the bulb in, and then you get this wire in here, but this side without this little indention goes in first, and then the other side just pops up in there, and then it's in. So it's pretty simple, nothing too hard. It's just there was no videos online on how to do this. The next one that didn't have a video was the trunk light lid, or trunk light. And this one's pretty simple. You just pull it down and it pulls out. So that's how you change that one. Same bulb. Most of them are all going to be the same bulb. This one's got the wiring off to the left, so you have to slide that in first and then pop it in there. There is trim removal tools. I just used the flathead. Well, you can see how some stuff came out, but if you want to, you can get some trim tools and pull those out as well. All right, for this last one, I just sat in the back seat and I was able to get to it. So you're gonna have this little guy back here. It's gonna have the two of the same bulbs. The front one you shouldn't have any issues with. It comes factory with LEDs. So I'm not really, I don't understand Chevy's reasoning for putting the two LEDs up front and then doing the just the regular halogen bulbs back here. So anyways, to get this one down, all I did was pulled gently. You don't want to break this. It is just plastic, and then your bulbs are right there. And you just pull them out, and then you put the new bulbs in. You can do the factory or the LED. If it's LED, they have to be in the right way. If you have them reversed, they won't turn on. So if you if they don't come on and you're trying to win, or you're trying to figure out why, it's probably because the bulbs are backwards. So just flip them, and then just pops back on. All right, I know it was a short and sweet video, but that's it on the light replacement. That's really the first kind of lighting thing I've done so far. I want to do the LED headlights, so that's going to be coming up soon. The rest of the lighting inside here is all LED, so they're under the stereo, and then it's got the LED lighting in the dash, and then LED lighting on the bottom of the door panels and stuff. So anyways, so that's it for just the few bulbs there is, really. All right guys, so that's it for this episode of Woldoff's Garage. Tune in next time and see what I'm up to. You guys have a good day. See ya.